Alright.
Hi, my name is Hendrik. I had surgery with Dr. Stone probably about 14 years ago. It was a articular cartilage replacement in my left knee. I was doing a gymnastics class and injured it, but it was essentially a injury that occurred probably when I was a kid and kind of expanded from there, where it started as a small hole in my condyle and grew to a much larger one. That's something about 2 inches by an inch, 2 inches long by an inch wide. Dr. Stone did a articular cartilage replacement, and ever since, after the recovery period of probably about, I don't know, 3 or 4 months, it's 14 years ago, so it's tough to remember, but I was back to walking, hiking, and then over the next 6 months would work myself back into playing basketball. And before the surgery, I was doing probably about 3 to 4 games a week, just pick up ball with friends and stuff like that, and some league play. After the surgery, within a year, I was back to doing games, where I was back into doing leagues and probably playing 2 to 3 times a week. 14 years later, I'm still playing basketball, doing most of the things that I want to do. I mean, old age, I think, is catching up with me more than my knee surgery is at this point. But so I can only go well, I can't go 2 days in a row, but for the most part, my knee allows me to go every other day in terms of doing hard sports like basketball and running and other activities, stuff that I try and squeeze in between family and work and everything else that occupies our busy lives. But overall, great experience with the surgery, great experience with Dr. Stone. The physical therapy was fantastic. I really actually enjoyed coming up to the city because I was living down in Sunnyvale at the time, coming up to the city for physical therapy, and I fully enjoyed the whole experience here in terms of watching my knee get better, going from a really bad situation where I couldn't play basketball or do anything to back to being fully active and not really having any limitations as to what I can do.
Awesome.